ADA ramp requirements, commercial property? Here's what the pros know. ADA, Americans with Disabilities Act, ramp requirements are strict and non-negotiable for commercial properties. Non-compliance results in legal liability, fines, and accessibility violations. This guide covers the exact requirements you must meet for ADA-compliant ramps. Here's why this matters. The maximum allowable slope is 1/12. This means for every 12 inches of horizontal distance run, the ramp can rise no more than 1 inch rise. First, measure the total rise, vertical height to overcome. Also, divide by 1/12, 0.0833, to get minimum ramp length. And steeper ramps are too difficult for wheelchair users. The key takeaway: hire a pro if you're not 100% confident. For a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.